Guys, welcome back. Dot here, and welcome back to the Wolf Family SMP 2. In the last video, the two bears tried to defeat us, but luckily I gained a bunch of strength from getting mad, and then I beat both of them up. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you like and subscribe and help us get 20 subscribers, I'll tell you guys where Ethan got Scar, so you can get your own Scar. Just make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, guys. Now get your popcorn, get your drinks, and let's get started. Oh my god. I can't believe those guys trying to beat us up. Good, it's fine now. Son, get in here. Yes, Dad. Go in your room just in case any bad guys, and lock your windows. Okay. Gonna lock his door. Gotta lock his door just in case. If any bad guys get in here, no one can get him. Honey! Yes? You go in your room and lock the doors. What about you? I'll come in there in a second. Just gotta make sure no bad guys are here. Okay, our plan might work, okay? Okay, I'm ready to go. Okay, you could go. Hey, Dot. Oh, what are you doing here? I'm here to beat you up. No, Dad! Get him, son! Hey, yeah! Ow! 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 Hey! Ow! Ow! Stop it! You got him. Ow! 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 They're both on me! They're both on me! Help me! Help! Help me! No! Leave my son alone. Oh yeah? We got Dot, just come on. No, you're not going anywhere. Don't you get my boyfriend and take him away ever again. You really want me to beat you up? You can't hit me because I'm a girl. Fine, then I'm taking your son. Get away. You can't hit girls, so don't ever do that ever again. Yes, we finally caught Dot. Not for long, little bro. Ah, my freaking arm. Ah, my arm. Ah, my arm. He ripped off my arm. Ah. Ah, my arm. They're ripped off. Finally. I gotta get back to my family. And leave my mom to... No one can beat me now. Except me. Wait, how'd you escape? Ibita, I killed your little guard. Uh-oh. Get over here. Gotta freaking beat him up. Don't you ever mess with my family ever again. Guys, you okay? Yeah, Dad, I'm okay. Okay, guys, you can get out of here. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And get ready for the Wolf Family Part 3, because there's going to be even more action. So make sure to like and subscribe so I can tell you where Ethan got Scar. Bye, everyone.